A software developer got his dream job offer from Google. Six-figure salary increase? Silicon Valley. Everything he'd worked for. There was just one problem. His elderly parents needed daily care. No other family. No other options. His friends called him crazy when he turned it down. Instead, he took a modest job at the local credit union in his small hometown. While his college friends posted about their tech careers, he was helping elderly customers reset their passwords. But something interesting happened. He started digitizing the credit union's outdated systems, creating solutions they'd never imagined. His innovative work caught the attention of a venture capital firm. 5 years after turning down Google, they offered him a CTO position at their fintech startup. The salary? 3 times what Google had offered. The location? Fully remote. He could stay with his parents and earn more than he'd ever dreamed. His friends stopped calling him crazy. They started asking for advice. One choice to put family first didn't close doors. It opened better ones. Sometimes the detour becomes the destination.